Welcome to a stunning expression of modern farmhouse luxury, where rustic charm meets refined elegance. This home is a masterpiece of design, defined by its striking dark brick exterior, dramatic vaulted wood ceilings, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. From the grand, open-concept living spaces and the chef's dream kitchen to the serene master suites and an incredible poolside oasis, every detail has been thoughtfully crafted. Get ready to step inside and experience a truly captivating blend of comfort, style, and spectacular architecture. This home makes a striking first impression with its dark brick, black windows, and wide-open landscape framed by a sunset. Large windows connect the sections of the house, creating openness and a seamless link to the outdoors. From every angle, its clean lines and bold brickwork give it a modern yet timeless sophistication. Stepping through the front door, you're greeted by a stunning entry. The exposed brick walls continue inside, providing a textured backdrop for the modern chandelier and wood floors, setting the tone for the rest of the home. The open-concept design extends from the dining area to the living room, where natural light enhances the wood and brick details. Centered by a long wood table and sleek light fixture, the dining room combines rich textures for a warm, welcoming feel. From the living room, the wide-open layout comes into view, seamlessly connecting each area and making the home perfect for entertaining. Natural light and rustic wood beams add a peaceful, airy feel. The kitchen is the true centerpiece. A large waterfall island offers generous counter space, while bold black lighting contrasts beautifully with the light marble and wood finishes. Up close, the dark range hood and geometric fixtures above the island bring a modern edge, balanced by exposed wood beams that connect back to the home's rustic character. The spiral staircase is a striking centerpiece, with black metal railings and natural wood treads that stylishly connect the home's levels. The bedrooms are designed as private retreats. One features a cozy fireplace, large windows with sweeping views, and layered textures that feel both luxurious and inviting. Another highlights modern farmhouse style, with a sloped ceiling and exposed wood beams for architectural charm, while a distressed wood accent wall adds warmth and rustic character. The master bathroom carries the theme of a serene escape. A double vanity with clean lines and elegant lighting offers both beauty and function. A freestanding tub sits beneath large windows, while the sloped ceiling and unique chandelier create a spa-like retreat perfect for unwinding in peaceful surroundings. The office balances productivity and comfort, featuring a sleek desk, cozy seating area, and large windows that keep the space bright and connected to the outdoors. Come into a secondary living area, we find a media room built for relaxation. The warm wood cabinetry and a dramatic piece of wall art create a cozy atmosphere, perfect for movie night. For fitness, the home offers a dedicated gym with a glass wall, keeping the space open. Stepping outside, large sliding glass doors create a seamless transition from the living room to the patio and pool, offering effortless indoor-outdoor living. The covered patio provides a shaded retreat beside the pool, complete with lounge chairs for enjoying the sun and surrounding landscape. The expansive pool deck is perfect for relaxing, set against the home's striking brick and glass exterior. With generous seating oriented towards sweeping views, the patio is the ideal spot for sunset gatherings, outdoor living at its finest.